Hey everyone, here we are in the back seat of the F-150. One of the good things about the coronavirus and being locked down is that I'm getting to work on and finish up a lot of projects that I started a long time ago. This one has been in the works for about 2 years when I started buying all the supplies for it. They've just been sitting around. I've always wanted a desk so that I could work mobily wherever I go, whether it's here or it's in the bus. I want to be able to set up something to make it a little bit easier to work and have it not be huge so that I could fold it up when needed. A lot of times we're at horse shows or in places that I need to be able to do some work on the road. Sometimes we're driving up to the ski house in Vermont and Sarah's sitting in the front seat, on her laptop, literally on her lap. And it's not a very good space to work. So wanted to give us some new options to have more flexibility and a little bit better space to work. Let me show you what I came up with. Alright, so here we are. You can see the unit is folded up right in front of me. Its store is pretty small. And I'll show you how we set it up. Going to pivot up into place. It does lift in from the doors as well. First thing you want to do is open up the legs. I've got just little tabs that hold it up, hold it in place. Problem is my legs are kind of in the way. Tight. Two legs fold out. So you've got a little shelf for papers, and on the top it holds pencils and pens, things of that sort. Release the clip on the top, and the desk folds down. Just pivot it towards you, in place. It sits a little bit low in the truck because I made it also work for the bus where you sit a little bit higher. So if you just put a little pillow underneath you and you're sitting up at a good height for typing, and I put a corkboard up in front just to hold some paper so that when you're typing you can hold notes and things of that sort. Someone had suggested a whiteboard, which I thought about, but it'd be hard to write while there's a laptop sitting in front of you. So this is the desk. Let me show you how I put it together. Alright, so here we are back in the shop. Lighting's a little better, so hopefully you get to see this a little clearer. Let me give you a look at this. So on the back side, put a little handle to make it a little bit easier to carry. So you can just sliding it into a truck or a bus or whatever is needed. Let me get this in full frame. Alright, so got a couple of clips down here. I'll show you close up in a second. One leg folds out, the other leg folds out on a hinge. That's the sturdiness. And a little wire clip here. The desk comes down. Let me show you how this works. So, a couple of hinges here. Just hold it in place. I had some, I bought 3/8 inch MDF for the back, and then 1/2 inch MDF for the desk surface. And then I had some leftover door trim from other projects just to make it a little bit more stable. I used that to wrap it, make it a little bit more decorative. The corkboard was like $1 and it's split, so be sure to drill it first. That was a little annoying. For the clips, I just have a little screw, piece of 12 gauge wire. You don't need something very technically complex. Wrap it here. I put the screw on the bottom there so that it doesn't hit someone's legs on the bottom. So you can see another stiffening piece. And I thought it'd be nice to round that over a little bit of the trim. A couple pieces on the bottom to make it a little bit more stable. This is a 1x2, 1x3 probably. You can see on the bottom a couple little hinges. This is 3/8 inch plywood stiffened up with a 1x2 right here. Everything is glued with liquid nails. You can see right over here, little piece, little screw with my 12 gauge wire. Another 1x2 over here. And they fold out, and the piece here makes it so that it doesn't fold open. I didn't need to do anything complex there. Same with the other side. And this is a little tricky. I wanted to make this side so you could still get in and out if you had a car door open, so I wanted it shorter, but I still wanted to have some stability of the leg, and then to have it fold into itself so that it holds itself. Clean this up here. You kind of see, I played with the distances a little bit to make it so that it folded in, use the same spot, and then pieces layered on top of each other, which you can see right there. So that's a unit. Probably cost, I don't know, maybe $20 or $30 to make. Took about an hour. Painting took about 40 minutes. So not that long of a project. Pretty simple. Anyone can do it at home themselves. Everyone have fun. Keep building. See you guys. Bye.